Hello, Police West UK here, and welcome to today's Game of Day video. Every day, May 2020, a different Sinclair ZX Spectrum game on my channel. Now, today's game is Captain Dynamo by Codemasters. There's a wasp! So, okay, so let's go for Kempson Stick. And let's start the game. There's a wasp on the bottom right of the screen. As you can see, I do not like wasps. So, cabin 1. So as you can see, this is a platformer, and it's a vertical layout platformer, a bit like Rainbow Islands. So you're Captain Dynamo, and you collect these dynamos, or whatever they are, diamonds. Right, you can use your fire button to jump like that. So it's quite good in respect that you use fire button to jump rather than up. I like them, so that makes it much easier. Still, I can't get to that side very easy. Maybe I've got to go from this angle. Right, okay. So I think I've got to go on that, haven't I? No, that's just a starting place. So how do I get up there then? Okay, let's try and get up there. There must be a way of getting up there. Well, it's obviously not that way. Ah, there we go. Right, okay, that's a spring. Watch out for the worm. S. Not sure what that S does, but there you go. Okay, so let's get these diamonds down here. Graphics very nice. Not too much colour, but they're still very nice. Scrolling is pretty smooth. It's got on these lifts. Okay, there's another diamond. Right, okay. Let's drop down to this one. Get the lift. Here we go. Up we go. I've collected 22 diamonds apparently. I'm going to need them lifts again, I believe. Here it comes. Oh no. Okay, so I'm not sure you get up there. Let's see if we can work this out. You've probably got to do it when it's at its very top point. It's interesting. Right. Fall back down. Lift take us up. No. Okay, let's try going back down again. See if there's anything opened up. Ah, here we go, look at this. Right. Oh, I was trying to avoid them spikes as well. Oh yeah, you've got to try and get to the very edge of the plunger. Oh no, what am I doing? Okay. Right, get to the very edge. There we go. Oh no. Game over. So that's Captain Dynamo by Codemasters, and nice little game for the Sinclair Spectrum. It's also out on other formats like the Commodore 64 and stuff. So I'm going to give that one 8 out of 10. Good fun game. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.